Hi there, Tony Esteves with Talk to More People, and some CouchSurfing guests who've agreed to have a quick little chat with me about our time together CouchSurfing over the last 2 days. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Hi, camera. You both are like, hi. All right. And then, I think you'll get a kick out of what the video footage looks like on our little last walk in Canmore until you come back.
Yes. I know, that's it. Yeah, definitely love.
I'm already looking forward to returning.
Background here. Sorry, aloe plant.
First of all, I'm Nicole.
And I'm Vee.
And I'm Tony. And these lovely ladies have been here since 6 o'clock on Monday night, was it?
It was Monday night.
Monday night,
Right.
6
A day and a
o'clock.
half.
So not even 2 full days yet. And we met through this website called CouchSurfing. So couchsurfing.org, I think, O-R-G or .com, couchsurfing.com, which is a worldwide travelers network with more than 14 million members that I've been a part of since 2007, when there were less than 500,000 members. And so can I ask first of all, how did you even discover that you might be able to stay at our place through the app?
I've been on CouchSurfing for 11 years, on and off.
Awesome.
And just arrived in Vancouver. Nicole and my first time in Canada, and thought it'd be a great way, to experience the local areas, meet some locals and find out about some, hidden gems. CouchSurfing's always just a great way to, meet new people.
Wonderful.
Yeah, and Victoria popped my couchsurfing cherry.
Oh.
It's wonderful having this amazing stay here in Canmore with Tony, connecting, making new friends, and see everything from the point of view of the locals. Couldn't be any better, I will always travel now with couchsurfing.
Woo-hoo. Yeah, well, so Renee, my partner, and I were very happy to host these two guests. We haven't hosted Couchsurfers here since we've been living in Canmore for a year and a half. We haven't hosted too many because we just had some family stuff going on, but we felt like it was time to open our doors again. So I set my Couchsurfing profile to maybe hosting. So I want to ask, how did you decide to send me a surfing request, even though maybe I was totally going to say not available?
Oh, maybe doesn't mean no.
Yeah, well, I'm pretty, particular about who I do approach on Couchsurfing, and just having a look at your profile, you just seem like a really interesting, authentic person.
I look good on paper.
Yeah.
On digital paper, yeah.
Yeah, just super interesting. And obviously just had a read of your profile, and I just thought, we'll just reach out and, shoot you a message and see if you are available. And it wasn't even necessarily to host. I think I mentioned that in my message, even if you just have any free time to hang out.
Oh, wow.
And then, you go back and accepted it.
And here we are.
Yeah,
sitting in this
super
lovely
grateful
living
for.
room.
I must confess, I don't remember that the message said even just to hang out, because I'm terrible with details, so I just took a quick scan and I was like, cool, these people are interested in staying with us, and so I checked with my partner every day. I was like, are we good? Should we host? And then she said, yeah, let's have these people stay with us, and we had the room and the time, so we were like, yeah, come on, and here we've had this amazing time. And one of the things we were speaking about today in our last walk, because they're just about to take off and go to Jasper. Oh, poor them.
Yeah,
well, Jasper, Alberta is just gorgeous. Is that we were talking about how, for Renee and I to host wasn't at all any inconvenience for us, because you just kind of got integrated into our life between some walks in the mountains and some beautiful meals that we had together. And then we got to enjoy $2 Toonie Tuesday at the recreation center, so a nice hot tub for $2. Hot tip for locals in Canmore. And it's brought so much of the traveler's energy to our lives. We have not been traveling for the last few years because of the madness of the world, and so it's just been so nice to have both of your energy in our space, and for us to just celebrate food and new friendships and to have you here. So thank you for coming.
Thank you so much for welcoming us into your home and lives.
A pleasure.
It's
been
been
magical.
incredible.
Wonderful.
Super grateful.
And actually,
I'm tearing up again.
Yay! Wonderful. Well, and actually, before we close, I want to offer a tip to Couchsurfers, because I will share this with the Couchsurfing community. that you can't, that a maybe doesn't necessarily mean no when it comes to couchsurfing hosts. And I would highly recommend that you do a really tailored request when you want to stay with someone from couchsurfing. Is that you actually take time to fully read that person's profile and say, hey, I see that you're into snowboarding, and oh, you're a professional juggler. Wow, you do circus. Like, that's cool. Let's talk about that. And then for hosts in really popular spaces like, you know, big cities like New York City, or resort towns like Canmore or Banff or Whistler, I think the hosts, well, I know as a host, are more likely to consider your request if you've taken the time to get to know them. And actually, I believe that that is true in real life too. If we take the time to get to know somebody, we're probably going to be able to connect with them a little bit better. You know?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more.
Hot tip there. And then to close, if you're interested in knowing how to better connect with people, please visit talktomorepeople.com, which is my website, where I have a business and a book all about creating human connection. And there's free stuff on that website, free human connection starter kit. Please check it out. Join us, join the community, connect with strangers, use couchsurfing,
Yeah.
and
Get
you'll have a more
involved.
beautiful life.
Talk to more people.
Talk to more people. I didn't even pay her to say that. Oh my gosh. All right. Yeah. Yeah, well, you have to hike that. Yeah. You have to hike that. You have to hike that.
Lots of hikes.
All these hikes.
I can't wait.
Any thoughts about your couchsurfing adventure in Canmore with myself and Renee?
Absolutely incredible.